Hey y'all, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look that I wore in my Amazon favorites video. One of my subscribers requested a tutorial on this look, so here it is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. My name is Candice if this is your first time here. So we are gonna jump straight into this makeup look. It's super easy and simple. We're gonna focus on the eyes because that's really the star of the show. But I'll also show you the full face so you can see all of the products that I used to get this look. So let's get started right now. So if y'all been rocking with me, you know I am a brows first, always kind of girl. So for brows today, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the shade Ebony. I'm gonna fill in my brows using the lighter shade towards the front and then finish out with the darker side towards the end of my brows. Once my brows are filled in, I'm gonna outline my brows with concealer, and today I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Coverage Concealer in the shade Honey 415. Okay, my brows are filled in, so using the same concealer, I'm just gonna cover up the rest of my eyelids, blend that out, and then add some setting powder to get my eyelids ready for some eyeshadow. Prepping your eyelids like this just ensures that your eyeshadow goes on smooth and not patchy, and that it lasts all day. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be starting with my Sultry palette. I'm only using one shade out of the palette, which is Twig. I'm gonna put this shadow all over my lid so that I have a base for the next product that I'm going to add on top. The next product is not even really an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. It is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil, and I'm using the shade How Many Carats. So now, just using my finger, I'm just gonna dip into this palette and then spread it all over my eyes. And you kind of have to use a lot to build up so that you have that color on your lid. So just keep going until you get the intensity that you want. All I'm doing is rubbing my finger in and just patting until it gets as silvery as I want it to get. It kind of takes a while because it's meant to be like a highlighter type color. So it's not supposed to be like super duper heavy coverage, so you have to kind of keep building until you get the intensity. And you can see I done got some all under my eyes. This is why I do my eyes first, because I can always clean it up later with concealer. I can be as messy as I want and not have to really worry about it. So next I'm gonna add some mascara, and I'm using the It Superhero Mascara and just put it all over my baby lashes. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We're not done with the eyes. I just need to do the rest of my face first, and then we'll come back to the eyes. So I'll leave all of the steps that I'm doing to do my face in this video. I'll just speed it up, and then once I'm done with my face, we'll come right back to the eyes and finish it out.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
My face all done now, and now it's time to go back to the eyes. So now I'm gonna line and smudge out my waterline. So for liner, I'm gonna use a jet black liner, and I am using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade 0. I like this pencil because it's very soft, it glides on very creamy, and it doesn't tug at my eye. So now to smudge out my lower lash line a little bit more, I'm going back into the Sultry palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Noir. which is the dark shade right here. And I'll be using the Morphe M149 brush. It's a little skinny pencil shader brush, and just dip into this palette, tap off the excess, and concentrate on smudging your lash line towards the outer corner of your eye. You don't want it to be smudged all the way towards the end because you don't want to close out your eyes. You just want it to be a little bit smokier on the outside of your eye. And then I usually will wipe off my brush because I still want to smudge out the inner corner of my eye, but I don't want that black to be on the inner corner. So now I've wiped off my brush and I'm going to go in and just smudge out the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so now one eye is done and I'm gonna go into the other eye. And now the lower lash is all smoked out. So now I'm gonna go back into my mascara and put some mascara on my bottom lashes, but I'm only concentrating on the outer corner of my lashes because I hate that spidery look. So I just like for my lashes to be showing up like on the outer corner. So really with this eye look, it's all about the lashes. So today I'm gonna be using the lashes that I got off of Amazon. It's the Poop Lunch eyelashes. I will link them down below so that you know exactly which ones I used. Look at this face coming together. All right, so now my lashes are on, and before I get into the lips, I'm gonna spray my face down. So I'm gonna be using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Just shake it up and spray your face. I love this stuff, you guys. Like, it keeps my makeup on all day. Just lightly dust your face with a little bit of this setting spray and you are all set. For my lips, I'm going to be putting on the Fenty Gloss Bomb Cream in the shade Mauve Wives. I love this shade, you guys. It's kind of purple, it's kind of pink, but it just, I don't know. I love this color, especially because my eyes are so like glittery and I have the lashes going. So I like to have my lips be a little bit toned down because I don't want my eyes to be like boom, and my lips boom. You know, it's too much booms up in here. So I usually like a more muted type of lip when I am doing like a full glam eye. Yeah, see? So my lips are nice and soft pink. Perfect for like a night out or like an early evening type of event. Your eyes is popping, your lips is semi-popping, and you're ready to go. So now I'm gonna just brush my hair and get ready for my outro. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit those notification bells so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.